I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with Essentials. Confirm Hyper-V is installed, the host has enough free disk space, and critical data is backed up. Once done, open Hyper-V Manager and select the virtual machine you intend to snapshot. Make sure the VM state is appropriate, running for an online snapshot, saved or off for a clean point in time. Then right-click the VM or use the Actions pane. Select Checkpoint to initiate the snapshot process and watch the status change in the UI. Now you create the checkpoint and decide which type you need: production for application consistent, standard for crash consistent. Click Checkpoint and give it a descriptive name if prompted. While the snapshot is created, monitor the checkpoint's pane and Windows event log for any warnings. Make sure intensive disk operations are minimized because that increases consolidation time. If you use checkpoints for testing changes, tag them clearly. This helps when you later merge or revert to the correct state without confusion. To finish, decide whether to keep, apply, or delete the checkpoint. Apply restores state. Delete triggers merge to child VHDX files. Once done, verify VM integrity and run application-level checks. If merging or deletion stalls, first confirm free disk space and pause any backups or antivirus scans that touch VHD files, then resume merge. If problems persist, use PowerShell get VM checkpoint and merge VHD diagnostics, and inspect Hyper-V and system event logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.